Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can generate a realistic AI picture, AI photo, or AI image, or whatever it is, okay? Alright, personally, I use two apps to generate AI pictures, okay? So most of my pictures you see, sometimes I use Gemini and sometimes I use Photolab, okay? So I will just quickly show you how you can generate the common one, okay? The common one, Gemini. All right, so let me show you the app called Gemini. It's not everybody that knows it, okay? So let me head over to my app, okay? Now, this is the Gemini app. Let me show you. This is the Gemini what? App. Can you see it? This is the app that most people use to generate a uh, realistic AI picture. All right, I'm going to be showing you the trick with which you can generate a picture of yours without giving you another face. Okay, so pay attention and follow me closely. All right, so you open up the app. Now, if you want to generate an AI picture, you must use a picture of yours that is very clear. Okay? Don't use a picture that is blur. Don't use a picture whereby you are wearing an eyeglass. Don't use a picture whereby you do your face. You open your... No, just use a picture, a normal clear picture. Alright? Good. Now, there are many ways you can create pictures. Some people use prompts. Personally, I rarely use prompts. Okay, I'm not against prompt. I just carry my picture and I tell AI what to do to the picture. So let me show you. I'll click on create image. This is Gemini app. Are you seeing it? Create image. Okay, I'll click on it. All right, then I am going to upload my picture first. I'm going to bring in my picture. I'll click on this plus button. I'll come to gallery and I'm going to select my picture. Can you see this picture? I have selected my picture. This picture is very clear. It's even a studio picture. All right. So now I'm going to be telling Gemini what I want Gemini to do to this photo that I brought in, okay? First, I'm going to tell Gemini because if you don't tell the AI will change your face without changing the face and skin tone of the model in the uploaded photo. All right, change her hairstyle. Pay attention. Her hairstyle. So I'll just look for any hairstyle. So a center part bone straight. Pay attention. Bone straight. Bone straight. Human hair wig. Just follow me. Okay, I just want to change the hairstyle first. Okay, so we send. We allow Gemini to do her work. It just takes some seconds. It's loading. Have you seen it? Can you see? It has changed the hair. The same picture. Now, I'm going to tell Gemini, change her dress to a white structured peplum dress. Okay? We send it. Are you seeing the picture? Can you see? It's realistic. I'm going to tell Gemini now to put me in a J-Wagon. It will put me. Pay attention. Put her in a G-Wagon. This is AI for you. Anything you tell AI will do it accordingly. So as a graphic designer, you must learn how to do AI. Now, the thing there is that the more you're giving it a prompt, okay, if you give it too many prompts, all right, it's may likely going to be changing the face. Okay, so you know it's computer now. So now you can see the lady, the face is different, quite a little bit different from my face, but it's in a G-Wagon. But you can actually give it this command in one. Okay, all right. Why am I doing this? I'm telling you that anything you can imagine, if you can imagine it, AI can give it to you. Okay, this is how you create. Can you see this picture? It's me. This is, if I tell you it's not AI, you will not know. Will you know? You will not know. This is the original picture. Okay, no. See the original picture here. All right. Look at the AI generated picture. It has changed the hair. So instead of worrying yourself, you don't have bone straight, you don't have this, you can tell AI to give you dress, to give you clothes, to give you bone straight, to give you any kind of hair. All right. Can you see? This is me. So the trick there is this. You must use a picture that is clear. Use a picture of your face that is clear. I'm just showing you how you can generate a picture of yourself without stressing yourself about prompts, different types of prompts. Okay, so all you need to do, I'm just going to save this one, okay, because it looks realistic. I'll come here. Let me show you. For those who are not familiar, can you see it? Save. I'll click on save. So it's going to download and be saved into my gallery. So let's check. Is in my gallery? Come to gallery. This is the photo. Is in my gallery. So who doesn't know me now? Say, because Jennifer don't buy bone straight. It's AI. Alright, so that is how you use an AI picture in Gemini to generate a realistic photo. Alright, for yourself. So thank you and God bless you.